Today we are here to serve you with a complete detailed comparison and review of the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. OS. Android 16 OS, up to 7 major Android upgrades while in Ultra. Android 15 OS, up to 7 major Android upgrades. Dimensions. S25 FE 161.3 by 76.6 by 7.4 mm and in Ultra 162.8 by 77.6 by 8.2 mm. UI 1 UI 8.0. UI 1 UI 7. SIM. Up to 3 nano SIM plus 3 eSIM while in Ultra 2 nano SIM plus 2 eSIM, max 2 at a time. Colors icy blue, jet black, navy and white. In Ultra we will find titanium silver blue, titanium black, titanium white silver, titanium gray, titanium jet black. Weight S25 FE 190 grams, S25 Ultra weight 219 grams. All frequency details are showing here. Processor chipset Exynos 2400 4 nm in S25 FE, and Qualcomm SM8750 AB Snapdragon 8 Elite 3 nm. CPU 10-core 1x 3.2 GHz Cortex X4 plus 2x 2.9 GHz Cortex A720 plus 3x 2.6 GHz Cortex A720 and 4x 1.95 GHz Cortex A520. In Ultra, Octa-core 2x4.47 GHz Oryon V2 Phoenix L plus 6x3.53 GHz Oryon V2 Phoenix M. GPU Xclipse 940. Adreno 830. Technology. Dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2x capacitive touchscreen. Dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2x capacitive touchscreen. Display size 6.7 inches and 6.9 inches. Resolution 1080*2340 pixels, approximately 385 ppi. And 1440 x 3120 pixels, 498 ppi. Extra features: 120 Hz, HDR10+, 1900 nits peak. And 120 Hz, HDR10+, 2600 nits peak, always on display. Protection: Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, MOS Level 5. Corning Gorilla Armor 2. Memory card. No. Built-in 256 GB. And built-in 8 GB RAM. In Ultra card. No. Built-in 512 GB. And built-in 12 GB RAM, UFS 4.0. Camera main triple camera, 50 megapixels, f1.8, 24 mm wide 1/1.57. Dual pixel PDAF, OIS plus 8 megapixels, f2.4. 75 mm telephoto, 1/4.4, PDAF, OIS, 3x optical zoom plus 12 megapixels, f2.2, 13 mm, ultrawide 1/3.0, LED flash. In S25 Ultra. Main camera, quad camera, 200 megapixels, f1.7, 24 mm wide 1/1.3, multi-directional PDAF, OIS plus 10 megapixels, f2.4, 67 mm telephoto, 1/3.52, PDAF, OIS, 3x optical zoom plus 50 megapixels, f3.4, 111 mm periscope telephoto, 1/2.52, PDAF, OIS, 5x optical zoom plus 50 megapixels, f1.9, ultrawide dual pixel PDAF, super steady video, LED flash. Features HDR, panorama, video, 8K at 30 fps, 4K at 30 60/120 fps, 1080p at 30/60 122/140 fps. And here is laser AF, best face, auto HDR, panorama, video, 8K at 24/30 fps, 4K at 30 60/120 fps, 1080p at 30 62/140 fps, 10-bit HDR, HDR10+, stereo sound rec. Euro ICE. Front camera, 12 megapixels, f2.2, 26 mm wide, 1/3.2, Video, 4K at 30/60 fps, 1080p at 30/60 fps, Euro ICE, HDR, 12 megapixels, f2.2, 26mm wide 1/3.2, dual pixel PDAF, HDR, HDR10+, video, 4K at 30/60 fps, 1080p at 30 fps, connectivity, WLAN, Wi-Fi 800 2.118b per gram, NAC 6E, dual band or tri-band market region dependent Wi-Fi direct. WLAN Wi-Fi 800 2.118b per gram, NAC 6E7, tri-band, Wi-Fi direct. Bluetooth. Version 5.4 with A2DP, L. Version 5.4 with A2DP, La GPS Yes plus GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS Yes plus A GPS support and GLONASS, BDS, Galileo, QZSS. USB. USB Type-C 3.2, OTG. USB Type-C 3.2, DisplayPort 1.2, OTG NFC. Yes. Yes. Data 2G GSM, 3G HSPA, 4G LTE CA, 5G capable. 2G GSM, 3G HSPA, 4G LTE up to 7 CA, 5G capable. Radio FM radio unspecified features sensors, accelerometer, compass, fingerprint under display, optical, gyro, proximity, Samsung DeX, circle to search. Sensors, accelerometer, compass. Fingerprint under display, ultrasonic, gyro. Proximity, Samsung DeX, Samsung Wireless DeX desktop experience support ultra-wideband UWB support circle to search. Audio. Speaker phone audio 32-bit 384 kHz audio, tuned by AKG, speaker phone. Browser. HTML5. HTML5. Messaging. SMS threaded view MMS, email, push mail, IM. SMS threaded view MMS, email, push mail, IM. Games. Built-in plus downloadable. Built-in plus downloadable. Torch. Yes. Yes. Battery capacity. Li-ion CCA 4900 mAh and Li-ion 5000 mAh. Fast charging 45W wired, PD, QC2, 65% in 30 minutes. 15W wireless, Qi2 compatible, reverse wireless. Fast charging 45W wired, PD 3.0, 65% in 30 minutes, 25W wireless Qi2, 4.5W reverse wireless. Price. With little bit up and down USD, $673. And USD, $1,346. So, why yesterday? Why not today? The precious time of life that has passed will not come back. Enjoy your life today. The product link is given in the description. Buy now and enjoy life. And if you like the video, be sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Take care, goodbye.